Hello all, welcome to Kerala Antiques YouTube channel. On every video we will be discussing about an antique item of various time period. On today's video we will be discussing about a Kerala lamp. This is a Kerala hanging lamp with some unique features. This lamp is around 80-90-year-old lamp from northern Kerala. It's also called as Thooku vilakku, which means hanging lamp in Malayalam. It is a lock type lamp which has an unique chain. You can see heavy cast chain. We can see several snakes in the chain, which is cast in such a way that it is protected by many snakes. It's full of snake pattern in the chain head. These are casted very beautifully in that period. It is a 7-wick lamp and has two parts. On the middle portion of the chain, we can see a bird, a swan. In this, the tail is broken and it is very common in this age lamps. And we can see some hangings in the swan head also. And the wick pattern is very unique and has good quality casting. And it is detachable and by the means of a lock mechanism. It is commonly seen in Kerala lamps. And the hook is heavy gauge cast bronze and it is in very good condition. Thanks for watching. This is Ashok. To see more antiques and collectibles, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To see more antiques for sale, please check my Instagram page. My Instagram page, Kerala_antiques. Kerala Antiques. The link is given in the description box. Please go through it. Thank you. We'll meet you in another beautiful video of Kerala Antiques.